Today we would be covering a book by Kailash Satyarthi, the name of the book being Why Didn't You Come Sooner? This is a book of compassion in action which entails the stories of children who are being rescued from the child slavery. So this book comes as a stark reminder of the brutal realities of the child slavery. Almost every other day, we are witnessing stories of children trafficked for sex to work as domestic labor in the affluent homes in the cities, working in the shops and factories for the embroidery work, in the firecrackers industry, making bangles, working in the brick kilns. So here the important question is arising that despite we having numerous laws within the country and internationally, will the child labor and child abuse ever end in this country? How is the child labor and child abuse even persisting in this country despite we having numerous safeguards and laws? So Satyarthi, Kailash Satyarthi, through his team and organization Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Save the Childhood movement, it has demonstrated the tireless advocacy for child rights through its daring raids, through the legal battles, and the tireless efforts that have rescued thousands of children and brought the international attention to the issues of child slavery. So this book kind of offers hope and inspiration at the same time through the stories of survivors and the tireless efforts of Satyarthi and his team. It is because of this tireless efforts and advocacy for the child rights, it has earned him the Nobel Peace Prize. Through this book, he has given voice to a dozen of such survivors through their individual stories. The voice which Satyarthi and his team have given to a number of children survivors, it has resulted in the children's resilience. It has resulted in the urge for education and freedom. Therefore, it is a testament to the indomitable human spirit. It is a testament to the power of compassion. For that, we are seeing them blossoming in the care centers, finding solace in each other and learning to rebuild their lives. So this book, Why Didn't You Come Sooner, isn't just a chronicle of suffering, isn't just a story of harrowing experiences by number of children. It is demonstrating the children's resilience to do something in life. For that, we see that many survivors, they have gone to become excellent speakers at international conferences. They have moved ahead in their lives. Many have become activists themselves and joined the band of rescuers. So this book again is a call to action, a reminder that every child deserves a life free from exploitation. Very, very important caption. This you can easily quote in your essay writing. Why are we studying this book review? This can be a good case study whenever you are writing any answer related to the children issues, related to child slavery, child labor, efforts by the civil society and NGOs. Also in your ethics paper where your keywords like compassion, human spirit, human values exist. You can easily quote this book review as in the body in the essay paper pertaining to the children issues. Or you can directly write any story of a child survivor as an anecdote. Right? So this is how the book review will help you in your answer writing, essay paper, ethics paper.